Hello friends, myself Madan Patil, Department of Chemistry, KNBC Arts, Commerce and Vinayak Patil Science College, Bhosri, Gurgaon. Today I am going to discuss the chirality and it's one of the typical example that is the tartaric acid. So chirality is the concept that means a molecule containing a center that means generally the carbon atom which having attached four different groups, that means the any center or the carbon atom attached with the four different group and it does not possess any element of symmetry. That center, that stereo center is called as the chiral center and that molecule is called as the chiral molecule, and those molecule which are chiral, they are optically active compounds. So, in some cases, being an chiral molecule or chiral center, more than one chiral center, that molecule is achiral or a molecule is optically inactive. And the best example is the uh, tartaric acid. The common name is 2,3-dihydroxybutanoic acid. Let us see why it is one of the isomer of the tartaric acid, especially the mesoform, which is a chiral molecule. So, in this structure, you can see that this is the tartaric acid. There are three stereoisomers possible for the tartaric acid because of there are two chiral centers, namely position at 2 and 3. At position 1 and 4 there are two carboxylic group, and at position 2 and 3 these stereo centers are the chiral centers, or you can say that it is the chiral carbon because it attached with four different groups, namely carboxylic acid, carboxylic group, hydroxy group, hydrogen, rest of this group. Similarly, at position number 3, there are also four different group attached, hydroxy group, carboxylic group, hydrogen, and rest of this. So, this is the dextro form of tartaric acid. It's a mirror image, Leo form of tartaric acid, and third stereoisomer of tartaric acid is the mesotartaric acid. But in the difference between the dextroleo and mesotartaric form, that is the similar atoms or like atoms are on the different sides of the structure, that is the hydroxy group as well as hydrogen atoms. You can see that in the dextro and leo form, but in meso compounds the like atoms or same atoms are on the same side of these groups. So this is the mesoform of that tartaric acid. But this mesoform being an two chiral center or two stereo center which are chiral center, although it is a optical inactive form because this molecule is a chiral molecule. Why it is a chiral molecule? Because this molecule possesses a plane of symmetry. You can see that from the carbon number 2 and carbon number 3, there will be a horizontal plane passing through it, and it cuts this plane with two identical parts which are mirror image of each other. So this is the uh, plane of symmetry which passes through the this mesotartaric acid. That's why it is the achiral. So not only the chiral center that will shows the optical activity or that molecule being a chiral molecule, but it does not possess, it also having the property of the element of symmetry, but it does not possess any element of symmetry. So let us see the physical properties of these three stereoisomers of tartaric acid. In the, you can see that the plus tartaric acid and minus tartaric acid, that is dextro and leo form, only the magnitude is changed, that means sign is changed, and the melting point is also same, that is 172 degrees centigrade, and the angle of rotation, specific angle of rotation of dextro form is the plus 13, and having the leo form, that is the minus 13. And when we compare with the mesotartaric acid, it having a specific angle of rotation that is 0 degree because it is the achiral compound. It does not rotate the plane of polarized light either of the direction, that means dextro or leo form, in the left side, that means clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. And that's why, due to the internal compensation, half of the molecule of the mesoform which rotate the ppl towards right position or in clockwise direction, and half of the position of the mesoform which rotates the ppl towards the left side, that is anti-clockwise. So resultant uh, angle of rotation is the zero, that's why it is the a chiral molecule. And the that amp melting point of this is different from this dextro and leo form, that is 140 degree. So this is about the mesotartaric acid being an two chiral center or two stereo center. It is a optical inactive compound. So the chirality is the necessary and sufficient condition to exhibit the optical activity. The molecule only having the chiral center is not the uh, optical active compound. Okay, so here this is the example of the tartaric acid. Thank you very much.